Receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries every single day from your customers or leads and replying to each one of them individually and manually is becoming super hectic for you, then why don't you create an amazing AI WhatsApp chatbot that is going to automatically reply to all your leads and customers without you lifting up your finger 24/7 even when you're sleeping. Your all business inquiries are solved and you are stress free. Yes. Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. I have this amazing software that is Pabbly Chatflow, using which you can automate your WhatsApp conversations, that too without need of any coding and programming skills. So first of all, let me show you how this AI assistant is going to handle your customers' inquiries. I have created this amazing AI assistant right over here using Pabbly Chatflow. Now what I will do is I will become a customer. And now let me ask this AI assistant some questions, okay? So my first question towards this AI assistant is, do you have any ongoing offers or discount codes? I will ask this first question towards this bot. Now I will wait for the reply. It will take few seconds for the response to come. Yes, currently you can enjoy up to 40% off during our festive sale. We offer free shipping in orders above $9.99. If you're a new user, you can use code NEW10 to get flat 10% off on your first purchase. Happy shopping. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Not only one question. Let me ask another question to this bot. What is the price range of your products? Okay, I'll send this another question. I will wait for the reply from this bot. Our products are categorized into 3 ranges. Budget range of $199 to $999, middle range 2000 to $299, luxury range from 3000 and above. You can see all the details are given as well. Okay, I have another question, that is, do you offer cash on delivery? Okay, I'll ask this another question to this bot and I'll wait for the reply. Yes, we offer COD, cash on delivery, for orders under 3000. You can choose this option during the checkout process. Okay, so this is how this assistant is going to handle your customers' inquiries for your business. So now I will tell you the entire process of how you can also create this amazing assistant. So firstly, on a new tab, you need to browse www.pabbly.com/chatflow. As you will browse this website, Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now before we create this amazing automation, I want to talk about what? Pabbly Community. Now Pabbly Community is a space in which you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Over here you can share your ideas, feedbacks and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today itself. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay? Now over here on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, you will have 2 options. If you're a new user and you do not have an account with Pabbly, then do not worry, simply sign up for free from here and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of what? Pabbly Chatflow, okay? But if you're an existing user, just like I am, directly sign into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section where you will see all the applications. As I want to just use Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on this Access Now button. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now what is Pabbly Chatflow? It is an amazing tool by Pabbly that helps us to automate our WhatsApp conversations and manage our WhatsApp efficiently, our business WhatsApp account. Okay? To set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, you need to add your WhatsApp number. For that, click on this button. You will have 2 options to add your number, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. We have created the tutorials, both of the method tutorials, and added the video links in the description section. Go ahead and set up your Pabbly Chatflow account for your business first, okay? Now with that, we also provide multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, like what? Inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, under which you will find multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out all the videos that we have added the links in the description section below, okay? Now to create a new AI assistant inside our Pabbly Chatflow account, simply what you need to do is, from the panel go towards this AI assistant section right over here. After coming to the AI assistant page, now to create a new AI assistant, click on this add AI assistant button right here. Firstly, we have to name our assistant. For the name of the assistant, I will give it as new AI assistant and click on this add button and the AI assistant is going to be created. And the AI assistant has now been created in the name of new AI assistant. Okay. Now we have multiple sections in order to create this AI assistant and they are super easy, believe me, okay? First is AI instructions. I want to create an AI agent, so I'll select my instruction type as AI agent, and as soon as you will select the type, the roles and responsibility of that type of AI agent that you have selected is going to appear here. If you want to add in some points or eliminate some of them, you can definitely do that by editing this section. I do not want that, so I'm going to skip the part. Temperature. Temperature is a range between what? 0 and 1. 0 being very focused reply, 1 being a creative reply. Okay, I want the response that this AI is going to forward between creative and focus, so I will select the temperature as 0.5. AI to use, I will use OpenAI. Model, I will use 4o mini, GPT-4o mini. Then it is asking for API key. In order to have the API key, simply go towards this hyperlink in the help desk and you will land towards the API key section of your OpenAI account. Now to create a new key, you have to click on this create new secret key button. We have to name our key. So for the name of the key, let's suppose I will write it as demo key. Okay. Next for the project, I'll select default, permissions as all, create the key from here. As now this key has been created, I'll copy this key over here and paste it in this field and click on this connect button. Now over here, in order to create this amazing AI assistant, you need to have what? A paid OpenAI account. Yes, you should have a paid OpenAI account in order to create this AI assistant, because if you won't have a paid account, this AI assistant is not going to work for you. So create an OpenAI paid account and then use this AI assistant right here. Okay. AI assistant settings. If you want header footer message with all the messages, simply toggle these buttons on. Stop keywords. So let's suppose you want to stop the AI assistant from working. You can toggle the button on, enter the stop keywords. Let's suppose my stop keyword is stop. Enter, press the enter key to save it. So if any customer or lead will send this keyword, automatically this AI assistant is going to stop working. You can add as many stop keywords as you want according to your requirement. Retry attempt. If you want that, you can add that step. Fallback message. So let's suppose this API assistant key is not responding correctly, then only the fallback message is going to be forwarded if this key is not working. Okay, so as we have added all the details, AI instructions step is done. Do you see how super easy was this first section? Next is knowledge source. Now what is this knowledge source? Knowledge source is a document in which you have given the entire description of your business. What's your business about? The mission, the vision, what all goals you have, what is the benefit of your business, what are the products that you provide, what are the prices, where do you deliver, what are the services. Every single thing is mentioned in your knowledge base. And this is the knowledge base that I've created for my business, that is Lushberry, in which I have mentioned about my business. You can see it's a beauty personal care e-commerce business. I mentioned what is it about, what is the vision and the mission. You can see the benefits, product categories that I provide. You will see each and every detail has been mentioned in this knowledge base about my business. So you have to describe your business in this document, and this section, that is knowledge source, you have to add that document over here. For adding, click on this button. And yes, I will tell you also one thing before adding. You have to have two types of documents. Either it can be PDF or it can be TXT. Okay. Over here, if you have PDF document, there is no page limit for text PDF. But if the PDF have images, then the limit should be 10 pages. These are the important required points. Okay. This is my knowledge base. I'll open it right here. As I've uploaded my knowledge base, in order to see whether your knowledge base is added, under the knowledge sources section, you can see the date and time of the knowledge base been uploaded, the name of the knowledge base. You can see it was Lushberry knowledge base. And if you have seen this vector ID, that means the knowledge base has been added successfully and uploaded. Okay. After adding the knowledge source, now next is what? Assistant interface. Now assistant interface and styling, these two sections are important for those businesses who are trying to add this AI assistant on their website. If you want to add this AI assistant on website, these 2 steps are essential for you, okay? Assistant interface. So let's suppose you want to add your brand name right over here in place of this text. My brand name is what? Lushberry. So what I can do is I can simply edit this name Lushberry right here. Okay, you can see it's updated. If you want to edit this line, this message powered by Pabbly, or add a hyperlink like this, you have to edit all these details. Initial message. So let's suppose this is the initial message. You can add in another initial message you want. Only 2 initial message can be added. And if you want, you can remove this one and add your own. Okay. Edit the line, enable, disable. You can add the footer text with the link right over here. And last is user's first message. So let's suppose the user has not connected to your AI assistant through this interface. They have directly connected through their WhatsApp. So now what can be their initial message from the user's end? So I've written over here as I need help. You can enter your initial message according to your requirement. So now the all writing part is done. Now what about colors, shapes, pictures, backgrounds? For that we have the option styling. You can edit the colors, pictures, backgrounds according to your brand colors. Okay, you can edit the mode, shape, colors, pictures, you can see background, AI assistant, you can see everything. So through this section you can do that. I do not want that, so I'll simply skip the part. Our AI assistant is created. Did you see how simple this process is? It's a very simple process for you to create this amazing AI assistant. Okay, so now this AI assistant is created. How to activate this AI assistant? Very simple. Toggle this button on from here and save the AI assistant from here. It's done. The assistant is activated, it's been created successfully, and it's been saved as well. Okay, as it says AI assistant saved successfully. Now I've already told you, if you want to add this AI assistant on your website, you can do that. Okay, like websites nowadays have a help desk on the corner, like on the right hand corner. You can also add like this, you can see the AI assistant like this on your website. For that, simply go to embedded. You will find the script, copy the script from here and add it on your website code, and this AI assistant will be added on your website as well. Okay, so as now this AI assistant has been saved, now let us test this AI assistant that I've created. For that, simply what I'll do is, from my WhatsApp number again, I'll become a customer, and then I'll send some queries to this AI assistant and check whether this AI assistant replies to all my queries or not. Okay, so let me open my WhatsApp again. So this is my WhatsApp, and my first question is, do you sell long-lasting lipsticks or waterproof makeup products? My first question is this. So I'll wait for the reply from this amazing bot right here. Yes, Lushberry offers wide range of long-lasting lipsticks and waterproof mascara products. You can explore various shades and finishes in makeup section. You can explore various shades and finishes in our makeup section, especially under lips and eyes. You can see this is the answer. I have another question for this bot. So my next question is, do you have perfumes for women under 1,000? Okay, so that's my next question. So I'll wait for the reply from this bot now. Yes, we have beautiful collection of perfumes and mist for women under 1,000. You can explore options like Floral Mist and Amber Charm by Lushberry Essentials in our perfume section. I have another question, that is, how long does a refund take after I return a product? So I'll wait for the reply from this bot. I forwarded the message. I'll wait for the reply. Once we have received your return item, it passes quality inspection and the return will process within 5-7 business days. Okay, so I have another last question from this bot, that is, what should I do if I receive damaged or wrong item? So that's my last question from this bot. I'll wait for the reply right here. I'm sorry to hear that. If you have received damaged or wrong item, please take a photo of the product and share it along with the order details at this email address. Our team will review your request and arrange a replacement or refund as per our policy. Okay? So as now this bot is auto replying to all my queries, this means this amazing AI assistant is now been created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now there are some important points that you need to remember. In order to auto enable this bot for the users who directly contact you on this bot on WhatsApp, what you have to do is you have to enable the auto reply option. Go to settings and inbox settings section. Scroll down, scroll down right over here, and you will find AI auto reply setting. Enable this setting from here, okay? I've added 2 contact list. I will add one more rule to show you. You have to add a rule, contact list. I want to select the option all contacts as the contact list. If you want, you can select a specific contact list according to your requirement as well, okay? Next is AI assistant. These are the assistant that I've created, and this is the one that I want to activate. So I will select this AI assistant from here, and this AI assistant is automatically going to be enabled to all the contacts who sends me the message. You can also select a specific contact list according to your requirement. Save the rule from here, and automatically this enable AI rule is going to be added, okay? Now, what if you want to add this AI assistant that we have created in this video for a specific number, not for all the contacts? For that, simply go to inbox section. After coming to inbox, what you need to do is, these are the names. Simply select one of the name right over here. And then over here, you can see the option choose AI assistant. You have to toggle this button on and select the AI assistant from the drop down. And automatically that AI assistant is going to be assigned to that contact, okay? So this is how this amazing AI assistant is going to be assigned to the contacts as well. And now as we have created this amazing AI assistant in this video, this is how you make this amazing WhatsApp bot that is going to reply to all your customers' inquiries using an AI. Okay, now all your WhatsApp queries are solved and you can be a happy business owner. Okay, so if you have questions or doubts related to this workflow, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.